In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check audio input sources in Slack. Getting your microphone set up properly in Slack makes your huddles and calls clearer and more reliable. We'll walk through where to find your audio settings, how to choose the right microphone, and how to confirm everything sounds good using Slack's built-in test. Start by opening Slack and going to the home view of your workspace. This is the main screen where you see your channels and direct messages. Being on home just ensures the next menus appear exactly where we expect them. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the Slack window and click your profile icon. This opens a quick menu with personal options and app settings. It's the fastest way to get to the controls we need. From that menu, select Preferences. Preferences is where Slack groups the app settings, things like notifications, themes, and the audio controls we're after. It opens in a panel so you can adjust settings without leaving Slack. Inside Preferences, choose Audio and Video. This section focuses specifically on call and huddle behavior. You'll see areas for camera, microphone, and speaker devices, along with a few quality and troubleshooting tools. Find the microphone option and open the drop-down list. Here, select the input you want Slack to use. Built-in microphones usually show up as your computer's internal mic, while USB or headset microphones appear by their device names. If you're using an external mic or a headset, pick that specific device to avoid Slack defaulting to the laptop mic. After selecting, speak naturally and watch for any input level indicator in Slack. It's a quick visual cue that the app is hearing you. To confirm everything sounds right, click Run Test. Slack will record a short sample and play it back so you can hear exactly what others will hear. Listen for clarity, consistent volume, and minimal background noise. If your voice sounds faint or distant, try moving the microphone a bit closer or speaking at a normal, steady level, then run the test again. If you don't hear anything on playback, double-check that the correct microphone is selected and that it isn't muted on the device itself, then rerun the test. That's it. You've navigated to Slack's audio settings, chosen the correct microphone, and verified your sound with the built-in test. The next time you join a huddle or call, you'll know your input is set correctly. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to check your audio input sources in Slack with confidence.